How to fix Clickbank account disabled. In order to fix this issue, first of all, head over to any of the web browser or you can move into Safari. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for Clickbank and wait for a while for it to load. Head over to the very first site, Clickbank. It will be landing you on the official site of Clickbank. Now, tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen and then move ahead to support. Scroll down and the option of customer support will be available to you. You have to click on customer support. It will lead you to this page. Now once again scroll down and over here you can see where it says contact us. The live chat and the call us option will be available to you. You can choose any of the method. If you click on live chat, you will be able to chat with the customer support of Clickbank. Over there, you have to state the problem that you have been facing. Simply state that your account has been disabled and you want to recover it. Or else, you can also call them in this number and then mention the problem that you have been facing. After that, they will analyze your account and make sure that you have the access to this account. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Clickbank account disabled. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.